Hello, my name is Daniel Dobrovolsky, and I am a senior physicist at Coltraco Ultrasonics. As the lead developer of the Portascanner AIRTIGHT 520 and the Portascanner COVID-19, I will be guiding you through how to do a full test using the instruments. The whole process of detecting, quantifying, and recording air leakage data is the same for both instruments. Once you have watched this video, you should have a basic understanding of how to use these world-first technologies to conveniently and scientifically assess the airtightness of buildings, hospital isolators, cleanrooms, or other structures. A more detailed explanation of the functionality of your instrument is available in the operating instructions. The Portascanner AIRTIGHT 520 and Portascanner COVID-19 both come in two main parts. The receiver unit is a 7-inch handheld touchscreen device attached by a BNC cable to the sensor wand. It is used to receive and analyze ultrasound and to generate data and reports. The Portascanner generator provides a stable ultrasonic source for the receiver to pick up. Its power is adjustable from 1 to 100% of the maximum output. An optional stand is available also to aid with generator placement. First of all, ensure both the generator and receiver units are fully charged using a micro B USB power source. Connect the sensor wand to the receiver unit, press the power button, and wait for it to boot. To conduct a full test, press the Full Test button. You will then be instructed to select or add a new site, room, and structure. A site may be, for example, the name of a hospital or building. The room should refer to the enclosed space being assessed, which may be, for example, a room, a tent, or an isolator. And a structure may reference, for example, a door, a window, or a section of wall that is being assessed for leaks. For a full test, you will need to know the thickness of any structures being assessed and the total surface area and volume of the room. If you are interested in the air permeability of the building as a whole, then enter the total surface area of the building envelope. Once a structure has been selected, you must turn on the generator and place it facing the center of the structure, at least 50 centimeters away from it, if possible. If the structure is openable, open it and trace the perimeter with the receiver wand facing the generator to ensure a suitable signal is picked up across the whole structure. The zone indicator on the screen will guide you. If the structure is unopenable, position the wand on the same side of the generator as shown, with the rear of the wand against the structure, and perform the aforementioned procedure. You may be instructed by the receiver screen to adjust the generator position or to increase or decrease the power if required. Now, close the structure if it was opened and stand with the receiver unit on the opposite side of the generator. You shall be instructed to take a photograph of the structure upon which to record the leaks. Scan the structure, listening for bleeps with the headphones or looking for spikes in the signal indicator. These spikes and bleeps indicate the possible presence of a leak. When a leak is detected, mark it on the receiver touchscreen by tapping on the image at its respective location. Then, press the Measure Leak button. Position the receiver wand carefully, aligning it with the point of maximum signal and holding it in place until the buttons are no longer grayed out. Once all leaks have been marked and measured, press Done to progress to the next screen. Now, measure the open air value for the selected leak, highlighted in green, by pressing the Measure OAV button. For an openable structure, open it and position the wand in approximately the same position as the detected leak, as shown in the instructions dialog. Take the measurement by pressing Measure OAV and repeat for each leak by pressing Done. Navigating with the arrow buttons and pressing the Measure OAV button once more. For an unopenable structure, move to the same side of the structure as the generator. Position the generator one wand length further back from the structure. And position the receiver in front of each leak as shown. Take the measurement by pressing the Measure OAV button and repeat for each leak. Don't forget to move the generator forward again once all OAVs have been measured. As each OAV is measured, the instrument will use it to automatically quantify the leak size and its airflow rate for a pressure differential adjustable in the settings. Once all leaks have been quantified, press Save to the device, and press the Home button to return to the home screen. Records may be viewed in the Full Test Records screen, where they may be exported as a CSV file or as a PDF report containing photographs.